What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for joining us, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you can't tell by the title, today's video I will be revealing to you all my beauty space. I'm super excited for y'all to see it. It's me to a T. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. All right, so when you first come into the actual beauty space, this is the sign you will see: treatment in progress, please do not disturb. So then as we enter, this is the room in itself. But I'm actually going to close the door so I can show y'all the little details. Yeah, so we actually painted this door white. It was wood, just like on the other side. Yeah, so I painted the door white because I felt like it went with my aesthetic. The wood was throwing it off. But from there, we got these cute little coat hangers for you to hang your purses up. I will have listed down below where I got everything from, if I can find links for it, or if I can find anything similar. But got these coat hooks from IKEA actually, and we thought they were, you know, really cute. They actually hold a lot of weight, so I really like that. The curtains too actually are from Amazon. I really like these curtains. We have them in our reception area as well, so I just wanted to kind of tie the spaces together. So that's what we have here. Then as you come along over here, we have our little beauty corner, little makeup corner over here. So I have my newer ring light, which I got off of Amazon. Like I said, I'll have links. This chair is actually from Amazon as well. The vanity is from Amazon as well. Everything. Jeff paid me. This vanity did not come with lights, so I had to buy those separately. I got these off of Amazon as well, and then I put them up here. I don't like the look that you can see the wires. It's the Virgo energy in me, the perfectionist, but I'm like, it is what it is. I'm gonna make it work. I just have my business cards here. My brushes that I use on my clients, they are clean. I keep a bottle of alcohol up here just for sanitation purposes. I do have my license up here, but I don't want my address in it. And then we are part of the Tinley Park Chamber of Commerce for 2022, so I just have that there as well. And so then here I have my makeup chair. I'm trying to remember where I got this from, because I've had this for at least 7 or 8 years now. And the side tables come out. This one on the other side too. This thing is super convenient because I freelanced for a while, so this is what I was taking, this is what I was using. Don't mind everything that's underneath there, because usually I don't keep that stuff there. But if I can find a chair similar to this, or if I can remember where I got this from, I will let y'all know. But this chair comes in clutch. It holds up a lot of weight, so I really like that. Then this space here, which I like. These pictures are everything. I felt like it went with the aesthetic. If y'all can't tell, my color scheme: rose gold, pinks, grays, whites, golds, a little bit of silver in there, but I'm more of a gold person. But I got these pictures off of Etsy, and then I took them to Walmart and had them blown up. The frames are from IKEA. The couch, which I love, this couch, it's so cute, I love it. I got this from Amazon as well. And then the pillows I got from IKEA. So if we move over here, I have this statement wall here. I felt like I needed something that screamed me, that when you walked into this room, you knew what I did. So I got this off Etsy as well. I don't remember what the dimensions are of it, but like I said, I'll have it linked. And I had my dad put this up on the wall because your girl wasn't about to try to do that and mess it up. Here I just have a hamper. It's double-sided. One side is usually for my wet towels and the other side is for like my sheets and things like that. Got this off of Amazon as well. So then if you move over here, this is where majority of the magic happens. My waxings, my facials. Of course, when I'm doing waxings, the sheets and everything aren't on the bed. But if we start here, the garbage can is from Amazon as well, courtesy of Boo Thang behind the camera. Here, if we move here, this cart I got from IKEA as well. And then I have my microdermabrasion machine down here at the bottom, which I got that off of Amazon as well. And then I keep my distilled water down here for my steamer. The towel warmer, I can't even tell y'all why I got this because one of my mom's co-workers actually gifted it to me. But like I said, any similarities or anything that I can find, I will link that down for you guys. The containers I got off of Amazon yet again. I keep my brushes and fan brushes and things of that nature for my masks and things like that. My 4x4s, 2x2s, all my sticks. And then I have Q-tips in the back. Should I show y'all the cabinet? Should I let y'all in on the cabinet? The cabinet is actually from IKEA though. Which that's a whole nother story because it was a whole lot of mess behind this. They need to keep all their stuff together because I had the trouble of finding what went with what to actually make this cabinet come together. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek though. So yeah, I keep all of my skincare products in here, all of my tools, jade rollers, jelly bowls, headbands, gloves, all of that stuff in here. My oils for my diffuser, just all of that is on this side. And then on this side, I keep all of my towels, my spa wraps, my head wraps, and my sheets in here. And then if we move back over here, I have this diffuser, which in the dark, you can actually see that it lights up, and I'll probably insert a clip of it in the dark. But I just wanted it to smell good in here, help my clients relax while they're getting their services done. Always keep tissue, and then I have a clock just so I can keep up with the time so I'm not running behind. And then I have a speaker. That clock is from Amazon, but the speaker, so I can play spa music or music just to, you know, help my clients relax. And I think I got that from Target actually. So if we move down here, I have a few more tools and things down here. So this is actually, I'll have it linked below, but all of these tools came from Biotherapeutics. And then these are just some glasses I wear to protect my eyes. I got off Amazon while I'm working with clients. And then these are extra brushes and things that go with my actual machine. The bottom y'all don't really need to see. I just keep my client consultation forms down there, extra pens and things of that nature. The bed, the massage bed, I believe I got off Amazon as well. The sheets and everything, Amazon. Y'all better plug me and pay me because I'm spilling all the tea. And I do have which I'll let y'all see it. I have a bed warmer underneath here, which I got off Amazon as well. During the summertime, I just use it for extra cushion, but of course in the winter, if it's cold, I'll turn that on. Here, I got this, my steamer mag lamp situation off of Amazon as well, but it was a specific company that I'll link down below. And then over here we get to the waxing stuff. As y'all can see, this machine is from Satin Smooth. I'm sure my boyfriend will laugh because I can't even tell y'all how many wax machines I done went through. Because he actually bought me one. But somehow I always end up having some type of mishap where the wax spills or something happens and the machine is pretty much ruined. It's decent now, but
it's working at least.
You said what?
It's working at least.
Yeah. But got that there. Then I have all of my strips and eyebrow sticks, other sticks, spoolies, all of my cleaning products. Everything down here for the most part is satin smooth as far as my cleaners and aloe oils, all of that good stuff. Then at the bottom I just have more strips. I have my hard wax and then a couple of other soft waxes down there as well. If I didn't mention, both of these carts are from Amazon as well, but be careful because when they came, they were a lot smaller than what I thought they were going to be. I thought I did enough research and did my own work, and I guess I didn't, and they were smaller, but I made it work, and I'm utilizing the space. And then I have this here. This is for my clients that are getting waxed or getting facials. They can put their shoes in here, any of their belongings, any clothing items they have to take off, and I got this from IKEA as well. One quick thing I want to tell y'all, the floors, I would have preferred to do hardwood floors, but just to save on money, we end up keeping the carpet. But at least for it to be more aesthetically pleasing, I went and got this rug, and I got this rug from Home Depot just to make it a little bit better. But potentially further on down the road, I will switch and get some type of hardwood floors because that's better for me as far as spilling products, spilling wax, and just maneuvering around in here. But that's pretty much my space. Oh, I don't think I mentioned that on the wall up there. I forgot about. But that there was actually supposed to go out in our main hallway. But yet again, Amazon played us with the sizing, and we thought it was going to be a lot bigger than what it was. So just to still use it, I put it there since this is the little makeup corner. But that's pretty much my space. I mean, I hope y'all like what I'm putting out, what I'm dishing out. There's still a couple of little things I want to add to it, but I still want to get this video up for you guys. So don't forget to make sure y'all thumbs up this video if y'all like the video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below to join the ALB family, because where else would you want to be? And don't forget to hit that bell notification as well so you never miss when I post another video. And until the next video, y'all. Now y'all ain't got to go home, but y'all got to get up out of here.